Hello again, Jose Leveguire from TIPCO, and on the previous video I showed you how to find existing code as part of the Spotfire Mods Development lifecycle. In this video, we're going to prepare for development. Okay, let's move on to the second step, prepare development. Going very quickly through here, I'm going to GitHub and download the template. Then I'm going to extract this blank template, open the folder that I extracted in Visual Studio Code, go through the README file, install all the dependencies, compile the code, and connect Spotfire with the live server from Visual Studio Code. So here I am at the GitHub TIPCO software account under Spotfire Mods repository. Here at the root folder of the Spotfire Mod repository, I'm going to search for this button and then in order for me to download the code, and here's the link. I already have this downloaded, it's right here. So I'm going to cancel and instead I'm going to open the file and extract so I can go through the process. I do this every time I'm going to create a mod. I open this zip file and extract the blank template that is inside this examples folder. Everything else are mods or the source code of mods. In case you want to modify another mod, then you can open one of these. But in this case, I'm going to open a blank one, which is the dev started, and I extracted here in my folder or your folder of your choice. Here I'm starting three mods, but this one is the one that I just extracted, and I'm going to rename it with something more meaningful. In this case is difference chart. Click OK, and next step is to open this in Visual Studio. I open it with code. Here we have Visual Studio Code with a folder of js-diff-chart. I go to the README, is the very first thing I have to do. Go through this information, and the instructions is to open a terminal and run this command. Almost every mod will start with npm install. As you know, it's going to download all the dependencies and packages that your mod requires. Some mods, if you are modifying an existing one, might have additional steps or more information about this. But because this is a blank template or a bare bones template, there's not much information. And almost in every other mod, you will run the next command, which is the npm run server, which is going to start our live server so we can connect this live server with Spotfire. Here we have it. Make sure that you copy this URL and then open your instance of Spotfire. I'm going to open a Spotfire and I'm going to recreate this mod. So I'm just going to close this mod. I'm not going to do anything with it. And in order to start creating a mod or connecting your live server with the Spotfire, you go to Tools, Development, and Create Visualization Mod. Then I am going to connect to the project. See how this placeholder of the mod is here. I can already move it around and do some stuff with it. I'm going to put it side by side and make sure that this URL matches when I connect to the project with the development server. So it doesn't match, I just copy and paste, click connect, and now my mod development environment is ready.